Welcome to my channel, Growtubekids. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon.
Oh, little friends. Welcome back to Growtubekids, where learning is fun. Today, we're going to learn about two magic math friends, plus and minus. Let's meet Mr. Plus Heavy Plus Sign. He loves adding things together. Look, we have one kite, and now we add one more. How many kite do we have now? 2 kite. Now let's meet Mr. Minus Heavy Minus Sign. He likes to take things away. We have 3 cats, and Mr. Minus takes 1 away. How many are left? Now we have 2 cat. 1 apple red apple plus 1 apple red apple equals? Let's count. 1 2. That's 2 apples. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 2 cars automobile plus 1 car automobile equals? Let's count. 1 2 3. That's 3 cars. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 3 teddy bears teddy bear plus 1 teddy bear equals? Count with me. 1 2 3 4. That's 4. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. I have 4 cupcakes cupcake I plus 1 more. How much cupcakes now I have equals? Let's count. 1 2 3 4 5. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 5 balloons flying in the sky. I add 1 more. How many now? Let's count. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yes. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Now 6 balloons are flying in the sky. 6 silly ducks were waddling in a line. Quack quack. Then 1 more duck joined them, flapping its wings. Let's count together. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Kektoshtit. Yes. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Now 7 funny ducks are waddling and quacking around. 7 twinkling stars were dancing in the night sky. When suddenly, whoosh! 1 more star zoomed in with a sparkle. Let's count these shiny stars together. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Wow, it's getting brighter. Yes. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. Now 8 giggling stars are having a party in the sky. 8 silly strawberries were playing hide and seek on a plate. Suddenly 1 more strawberry popped up yelling, "Wait for me." Let's count these giggling berries before they roll away. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Yippee! 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. Now 9 strawberries are laughing and tickling each other on the plate. 9 cookies were marching in a straight line, singing "We're too sweet to eat." Musical notes when suddenly 1 more cookie rolled in doing a cookie cartwheel. Let's count these yummy cookie friends before someone takes a bite. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Woohoo! 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Now 10 silly cookies are dancing on the dessert table. 10 chirpy birds were sitting on a tree branch, singing their favorite song, when they looked around and said, "Hey, no one else is joining us?" Let's count these feathered friends just to be sure. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Yep. 10 plus 0 is equal to 10. Still the same 10 birds, still singing, still being silly. Wow. You are a math superstar. Glowing star. Today you learned how to add with numbers from 1 to 10. Give yourself a big clap. Clapping hands, clapping hands, clapping hands. Host. Don't forget to like, thumbs up, subscribe bell, and share loudspeaker this fun learning video with your friends.
Thank you for watching Growtubekids. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon so you never miss any of our fun and exciting videos. Share with your friends and keep growing with us. See you next time. Bye-bye.